Hi everybody, it's Strawberry Hui, and in today's video, I'm going to be making a K-pop journal spread for Twice's Japanese single and music video, Better. So if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I kind of started getting into Twice when I Can't Stop Me came out. I became absolutely obsessed with that song. Like, I literally listened to it so much. Like, I really put in my streaming work for that song and not even like on purpose. It was just so good and I couldn't get enough of it. So one of my best friends actually is a once, and so I asked them if they could make me a playlist of like Twice songs, and I told them, that I really liked I Can't Stop Me, and I also like TT because Dreamcatcher covered it on their concert tour. And so I asked that of them, and they made me this really amazing playlist. I liked like every song on it, but this song was actually on the playlist, and the minute I heard it, I like couldn't move on in the playlist because I just kept playing this song like over and over. So it like took me a while to get through the playlist because every time I would reach a song that I was obsessed with, I like couldn't stop listening to it. And that's literally what I did with this song. It's so good. And I remember texting them like, oh my God, I'm obsessed with this song. And they're like, I know, it's their new Japanese song. I mean, it's been a while since then, but anyways, so I knew that I had to make a spread for this because I love the song so much. I became obsessed with it. I watched the music video and I love the music video. It's so pretty and aesthetic. Nayeon is definitely my Twice bias. I feel like I said this once before, or maybe I just said like I kind of thought maybe she was, but no, she is definitely my bias. Okay, I am in love with her. She is absolutely perfect, and I love her voice so much. So in the music video, there are a few like brief like sunflower scenes, or like scenes where like one like Jiho is in like a sunflower field, like a CGI sunflower field, and I just like really wanted to run with that because I really like sunflowers. If you watched my apartment tour, my kitchen and like dining room area is like kind of like a sunflower decor theme, which I should really do an update because I now have like a ton of butter stuff in my dining room because it matched like the yellow sunflower stuff. But anyways, so I really just wanted to run with that. So I did use some stickers that I already had that were sunflowers, but I also just printed off some like big and like different size sunflowers just to like add a little decoration to the spread and to kind of like tie in that one picture that I used of Jiho where she's like in a sunflower field. So yeah. So for the lettering, I just wanted to do like a simple and like pretty calligraphy, and I actually like really love it. Like I think I did like a really nice job here. Um and I just wanted to kind of do like a yellow like red gradient because those are the colors that I used in the spread. I do feel like they're a little vibrant compared, especially the red, compared to like the colors of the spread, but I don't think it's like too drastic to where it like doesn't look right or anything. So I still like really liked how the letters came out, and I was gonna do like a highlight to it, or like a simple highlight, but I just think that it looked really good, like simple and with just like a small black outline. So I decided to just leave it like that. So here I'm just doing like the writing portion of the journal spread, and like I kind of already said, I got like really obsessed with the song. I think it's so good. I still listen to it like all the time. It's probably one of my favorite songs now. I really like Twice a lot. I think they have amazing vocals and they're all beautiful, and I love their choreography. So I've definitely been really getting into them, and if you like them too, then you should subscribe because I have a few more spreads coming up of their music videos and stuff as well. So look out for that. Anyways, here's the final spread, and I really like it. I am very satisfied with the spread. I love how it turned out. I think it turned out really pretty, and I really enjoyed making it, and I like it a lot. So if you also liked it and you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!